We're going to now start this tricky stage, and that is wiring up the robot using the jumper wires and the wagos we have here. It's really helpful to use jumper wires the same colours as the ones I'm using here, so red, black, green and yellow. But don't worry if not, it'll just make it a little bit more tricky for you if you're not using them. So the wagos here, what these do is they connect the wires together and they can open out to 90 degrees like this. This can be quite hard, so you just have to really pull down on those. And what you do then is you can slot the wires in those. So the first thing we're going to do is slot in this red wire here from the battery pack into here, and then just shut that in place. So that should hold in place. Shouldn't move from there. I'm also going to put the other two red jumper wires in each of those two slots there. So I'm just going to push that in place there, and then push that in place like that. So again, they should be pretty firmly in place. The other wago then, I'll put in the 3 black jumper wires into those holes. So push those in there one at a time. One there like that, and like that. It's stuck, and that one like that. So we have those in place like that. So again, they should be pretty solidly in place. We need to then attach these to the servos. So one of the red wires needs to go to the corresponding red wire on here. So we have 3 wires on the servos, 1 control, and then the other 2 are the power ones. So the red one has to correspond with the red wire there. So it's the middle slot there. And again, same with the other one here, red one here. And then, again, that should push in place there. Good, that's good. And then the black one here, take one of the black wires and put that into the, matching up with the brown one. Okay, so the red and the brown wires are the power. And then we've got that one again to the brown one on the other side. So again, it's starting to look a bit complicated now, so we can see that there. We've also got a spare one here. I'll explain what's going to happen with that in a moment. And then we take the yellow one and put that into the remaining slot here that corresponds to the orange wire here. This is the control. So this is the bit that's going to be controlled to our, attached to our microbit. And again, we're going to put the green one on the other one here. With the black wire here, we attach it to the jumper wire. We attach it to the black wire of the battery pack, and we just wrap it around like that. There we go. You can see its power's going into that. There we go. So just wrap it around, and that should be all in place now. You might have to go through that step again slowly, but there we go. That's all wired up.